I bet you didn't realize that a huge part of effective home staging is actually lighting in your home. Wish we could bring this outside lighting inside. Well, most homeowners underestimate just how much lighting impacts the feel and value of their home. So does lighting actually help you sell your home faster though? Lighting is super important in the overall staging of your home, and it's one of the easiest upgrades with the biggest returns, and we're here to help. Hi guys, I'm Kelly Domaille. My husband and I own Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty in Rochester, Minnesota. Today, let's talk about how proper lighting can dramatically transform your home's presentation and help it sell faster and for more money. So let's be honest, when we live in our homes, sometimes we enjoy that cozy room that's dimly lit with just the table lamp, but it's the worst thing for selling homes. Lighting directly affects how big, how clean, and how welcoming your home feels, and it shows off all the hard work that you put in to get your home staged perfectly. A dim room can feel small and dated, while a well-lit space feels larger, more open, modern, and inviting. Even if your home has great features, poor lighting can keep buyers from noticing them. So number one, start with natural light. Maximize what you already have. Open those curtains and blinds, especially for showings and listing photos. Clean your windows thoroughly so that you let as much sunlight in as possible, and remove anything that blocks light, like those heavy drapes or bulky furniture. Honestly, I recommend that most drapes or curtains, especially the darker pattern ones, get removed. Now, number two, swap out light bulbs to a higher wattage and a consistent color temperature. Now, you would think this is obvious, but replace those dim or burnt out bulbs before any showing. Choose warm white or daylight LED bulbs for a clean, bright effect, and avoid that yellow, outdated lighting. It really makes a home feel older. And make sure that all the bulbs in one room match. Now, number three, layer your lighting to add some depth and highlight some focal points. You can use ambient lighting like overhead fixtures for just general illumination, task lighting in areas like the kitchen or an office, and then accent lighting to draw attention to either artwork, shelving, or architectural features. It's a really easy way to create a designer feel without a big investment. There are some great battery operated options also, so that you don't have to call an electrician to hardwire anything. Now, number four, upgrade those outdated fixtures for an instant refresh so that everywhere people look, your staging looks amazing. New light fixtures can completely modernize a room and are typically a very inexpensive upgrade. Go for clean, neutral designs that are going to appeal to a wide range of buyers, not specialty lighting. Now, entryways, kitchens, and bathrooms are going to be your highest impact areas to make lighting updates. However, my suggestion is to update lights throughout your home and not just in one or two areas. Now, if you'd like to know more about effective home staging, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. You can follow us on our socials, and please hit that like button. And if you have any comments or questions, put them down below. I'll make sure I answer all of those. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.